Today, we're diving into something simple, yet timeless, the wooden wall shelf. It's more than just a place to store your books or display your favorite items. It's a statement of style, a blend of nature and art, and a way to bring warmth and personality into every corner of your home. From rustic reclaimed wood designs to sleek modern floating shelves, wooden wall shelves are transforming ordinary walls into living art. They're decorative, functional, and endlessly creative. In this video, we'll explore why wooden wall shelves are both beautiful and practical, how they bring harmony into your home, and how you can use them to express your unique style. Oh, you think of decorating a home. What comes to mind? Paint colors, wall art, lighting, furniture, maybe even plants. But there's one element that quietly transforms a room's atmosphere while also serving an essential purpose: the wooden wall shelf. It might seem simple, just a piece of wood attached to a wall. But the truth is, a wooden shelf is one of the most creative and functional pieces of home decor you can ever add. It's more than just storage, it's design. It's more than a platform for things. It's a reflection of how you live, what you value, and how you balance beauty with purpose. Wooden wall shelves bridge two worlds, the world of art and the world of utility. On one side, they bring craftsmanship, texture, and the timeless warmth of natural materials. On the other, they offer structure, order, and practicality in every space. Together, they create harmony, turning walls from blank spaces into living canvases filled with personality. Let's start with the most obvious part: functionality. In every home, storage is a necessity. We need places to keep books, plants, souvenirs, candles, and all the little objects that make our spaces personal. But traditional cabinets or cupboards often take up valuable floor space and can feel bulky or closed off. Wooden wall shelves, on the other hand, are open, lightweight, and space-saving. They turn unused vertical areas into purposeful zones, bringing beauty to the walls while freeing up the floor. A floating wooden shelf in the living room can hold your favorite books and small plants, giving character to the wall behind your sofa. In the kitchen, wooden shelves can display ceramic dishes, spices, or jars, practical items that also look beautiful when organized well. In bedrooms, a few wooden ledges can replace bulky side tables, offering space for lamps, photos, or small decor pieces. Even in offices or workshops, wooden shelves keep tools and supplies neatly arranged, inspiring a sense of calm and creativity. Now let's talk about aesthetics, the visual soul of wooden shelves. Unlike metal or glass, wood has a natural warmth and a sense of life. Its textures, grains, and tones tell a story of trees that grew under sunlight, of years marked in every ring. When that wood becomes part of your wall decor, it brings that story indoors. It turns cold or empty spaces into welcoming, organic environments. The beauty of wood lies in its diversity. A dark walnut shelf gives off sophistication and luxury. A light pine or bamboo shelf feels clean, modern, and calming. Reclaimed wood with rough edges adds rustic charm and authenticity. Even a simple slab of natural wood, mounted with care, can instantly elevate the style of an entire room. Wooden wall shelves adapt to any interior style. In minimalist homes, they add warmth to neutral walls without cluttering the design. In bohemian spaces, they hold eclectic collections, woven baskets, small plants, handmade pottery, telling stories of travel and creativity. In industrial-style rooms, they balance the coolness of metal and concrete with natural warmth. And in traditional or rustic settings, they feel perfectly at home, as though they've always belonged. But what truly makes wooden wall shelves special is how they combine practical function with personal expression. Every shelf is a stage, and what you place on it becomes part of your story. Some people use shelves to display achievements, awards, framed photos, or certificates. Others fill them with art, books, or meaningful trinkets collected through life. Whatever you place on your shelf speaks about who you are and what you love. This is why wooden wall shelves are not just pieces of furniture, they are expressions of identity. They bring character to walls that might otherwise feel empty. They hold not just objects, but memories. And unlike mass-produced decor, wooden shelves have a handmade, personal quality that connects emotionally with the space around them. Another reason why wooden wall shelves are so special is their versatility. They fit into every room and serve countless purposes. In the entryway, they can hold keys, hats, and decorative bowls. In the living room, they can showcase family photos and plants. In bathrooms, they keep towels and candles neatly arranged. And in offices, they organize files and books while still looking stylish. Even better, wooden shelves can evolve with your life. When you move, rearrange, or redesign your home, they move with you. They can be repainted, refinished, or resized, something few other materials allow with such ease. This flexibility means that investing in a good wooden shelf isn't just about style today. It's about sustainability and adaptability for years to come. Let's not forget the emotional power of natural materials. In a world filled with plastic and synthetic products, wood reconnects us with the earth. Its texture and scent bring subtle comfort. Its presence makes a space feel grounded. Studies have shown that natural materials, like wood, actually help reduce stress and increase feelings of calm. That's why wooden wall shelves do more than organize. They create emotional harmony in your environment. And if you love creativity, wooden wall shelves give you endless opportunities to design your space. You can customize them in countless ways. Choose a raw finish for a rustic look or a smooth varnish for elegance. Arrange multiple shelves at different heights for an artistic display. Combine them with LED lighting to highlight artwork or decor. Mix woods and stains to create visual contrast. Even shape them into geometric forms for a modern, sculptural look. Each choice you make transforms not just the shelf, but the entire mood of your room. But creativity doesn't stop at design. It extends to making them too. Wooden wall shelves are among the most satisfying DIY projects anyone can try. With simple tools and imagination, you can craft a shelf that perfectly fits your wall, your style, and your needs. A handmade wooden shelf brings a deeper sense of pride. Every cut, every sanded edge, every polish reflects your effort and care. And that's another layer to why wooden wall shelves are both decorative and practical. They are personal. They are not cold or distant objects from a factory. They are handmade works of function and art. They remind us that creativity doesn't always require big changes or expensive designs. Sometimes it's as simple as taking a natural piece of wood and turning it into something meaningful. So, as you look around your home, maybe at that empty wall above the couch or the unused space near your bed, imagine what a simple wooden shelf could do. It could hold your favorite books, your plants, your art. It could bring balance and beauty to a blank wall. It could make your space feel more alive, more intentional, more you.